In 93, what is the tens digit? Answer is 9. What number comes after 63? Answer is 64. Which number is greater? 88 or 7? Answer is 88. Which word represents 10? Answer is 10. In 88, what is the tens digit? Answer is 8. Which number is greater? 56 or 67? Answer is 67. Which is the largest number? 14, 72, 77? Answer is 77. Which number is smaller? 40 or 70? Answer is 40. What number comes after 27? Answer is 28. In 91, what is the ones digit? Answer is 1. What number comes after 69? Answer is 70. Which number is greater? 49 or 82? Answer is 82. Which number is greater? 26 or 45? Answer is 45. Which number is greater? 77 or 65? Answer is 77. In 47, what is the ones digit? Answer is 7. Complete the pattern. 90, 100, 110? Answer is 120. Complete the pattern. 20, 30, 40? Answer is 50. What number comes after 90? Answer is 91. Complete the pattern. 50, 60, 70? Answer is 80. What number comes after 95? Answer is 96.